Hey everyone, it's me Suchita. Welcome back to the new video. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine in your life. So this is the second part of the lesson planning video. As I promised in the last video, this video I'm going to take the simple lesson plan format, simple lesson plan framework which we discussed in the last video. If you have not watched it, go and check it out and then continue with the second part. In the last video I have discussed just the basic format, basic framework of the lesson plan. This video, these three things which I'm going to discuss will take your lesson plan to a next level and make it unique, make it more the product base lesson plan where you will get the best outcome out of it. So without delaying any minute, let's start. If you are new to the channel, do consider subscribing and press the bell icon, and if you are a return viewer, thank you so much. I hope I'm adding some value to your life. So let's start. So the three things which we are going to include in the lesson plan are: the first one is the differentiated activity, the second one is the high order thinking questions, and third one is real life related examples. Yes, these are the three unique things which I'm going to discuss and how we can implement, how we can include in the basic lesson plan to make it more interactive. So the first one is differentiated activity. What does it mean? It means that, for example, I have a strength of maybe 20 students in my class. Now, I think you all as a teacher will agree with me, all the 20 students will not have the same level. Some are with very quick learner who will grasp the concept very quickly and do the activities quickly. Some are the average one, which are taking you can say average time, not very quickly, not very late. So these are the average student. And the last one are the low learners, which take, or you can say slow learners, which take much time. Now this is here the work of a smart teacher start. You can't plan your lessons same for all the groups. So where you will bring the difference, there are the differentiated activities. As I told in the last video, we need to include two type of activities, one in the objective number 1 and one type of activity in the objective number 2. So when you're doing the activity, you need to include the differentiated activity. Now when I'm saying the differentiated activity, it means that you need to plan three kind of activities: for the quick, for average and the slow learners. So you will divide the class into three groups. These are the quick learners, average and the slow learners. So what you will do, first you will give a same activity to everyone. Now you know that these quick learners are going to do the thing very quickly and they will just wait, and then maybe they will distract the class. There you will feel the behavioral management issue will also come. So what you are going to do, there are some extra questions in terms of high order thinking questions which will be ready with you. As soon as these quick learners will finish the one activity, you are going to bombard another activity or another question on them, which will be little higher, or you can say critical thinking question. So include that high order thinking question for these quick learners. So as soon as they finish, give them that. Now the time where they are doing the high order thinking question, they'll be busy with that. So in that way you are able to manage this part of the students. Now these two students, because we need everyone to score well and everyone to bring the same level. Now these two groups, what you're going to do, you're going to sit with them, maybe you will help them little bit, and these last one group who are the slow learners, so you will sit with them, try to help them one-on-one, take their doubts and visit their tables and check what exactly they are doing, where they require the guidance and all. So like that you maintain the three groups. So these high order thinking questions are done by these students. As soon as they will finish, now ask this group to explain the high order thinking question which they have done. They will explain to them. Now by this you given help and guidance to the low learners, plus you able to engage the high achievers, the quick learners, plus you're able to bring the whole class to the same level. Now everybody have done the same work, but in a different pace and in a different way with a lot of guidance. This is the best way you can manage a class, plus you able to bring best out of them. You will able to keep every student on the same level. Now, the last point is a real life related examples. See, every topic the student can learn, especially in science, maths, and you can say social science. If you are able to connect the topic to the real life examples, the real life application, then it will be a win-win situation for you. The student can understand the concept much better if they will, if you will consider the example from their real life, from the real life, day-to-day examples with that topic. So what you need to do, maybe in the starter, or maybe during the activity time, or maybe in the 2-3 slides of teaching concept, so in that time you just relate some examples which are related to your topic and the student are using in their regular life. That's how you will able to bring the real touch to your theoretical topic. So that is the 3 things which like you make your lesson a unique lesson and bring the best outcome result from your average class. I hope you like the video. If you like the video for whatsoever reason, give me a thumbs up and write down your feedback in the comment box, and stay tuned for the part number 3 of the lesson plan video. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.